Yo, what's up, y'all? This your boy. Today I got a video for y'all today. I'm gonna do an unboxing of this Wahl Vapor. I think this is the first version of the Wahl Vapor. Just got it in today. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Let's do it. So, just like any other Wahl product, comes in the same packaging. Once you get the top open up the little flaps. There you go. So normally when I see this, I always think that it's probably gonna have the combs, the guards, and everything else in it. This isn't the content creator version of these, the influencer version of these clippers, because they normally come in a bigger box. But they feel a little bit light, a lot lighter than I expected. Take off the little red clip. They come with a little plastic. The guards look pretty decent. I mean, the blade look pretty decent right here. Normally, there's a screw right there with the Wahl Seniors. And like I said, these are a little small for my understanding of. Okay, so there's plastic around here, so I can't turn them on and off. I guess while they're in the box or in the packaging, they won't turn on and off. Grab something to open it. All right, let's see. Just turn them on, and they feel good. They sound good. Just like the other Seniors or anything else, you flip the switch down, it turns on. Flip it back up, turns off. Same thing with the lever. Oh, it's not a click lever, so it's actually a regular lever. Lately, I've been running into clippers that have click levers, so this is still like the old school version. This looks like a little rubber thing that covers that screw. The blade says, what is that? Say F32 fade out. They got a little Wahl logo on the side, 5-star logo. Let me know if y'all see that. But yep, lever down, open, lever up, close. And I got this little rubber piece right here. This little rubber piece right here, kind of give you a little bit of grip. So far, I mean, I like it. Quality feels good. It's a little smaller than usual, but so far so good. And like I said, this is the first version with the blue thing right here. And when you click the clipper on, you get the light right there. That's, I guess, saying that it needs to be charged when it's flashing. It's not a USB-C. This is a regular Wahl charging thing. Anyway, that's that part of it. It's right here. Goes. So now let's open this part of it. Need something to open this. Anyways, I'm opening this up right here. And this is the charger. So this is the wire charger right here. And it comes with Wahl guards, premium guards, which is good. Okay? Comes with all premium guards. Comes with a Wahl comb, a little bit of oil, brush, and a manual. But no one ever reads this. Personally, I thought it was gonna come with a charging dock, something where I could sit it and charge it on, but it didn't. I guess if you look at the back of the box right here, it tells you everything that it comes with. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. If you like this video, if you like what you got, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit me up on IG. See y'all soon.